Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about the best platform for money invest. Okay, you have a more of website and trading website, Bitcoin and buy short time and sell long time. More of type of business you can get you easily money earning. First, you day trader. Or just search trader. Trader is daily trader. Best trader is you can see invest. The website I think is best. Investor trader is more of idea you can is what do you think the better idea trader. Trade online. Trade online. You can trade is another multi of company. Trade online. UK translation agency. This is, I think, day trader is good. You can invest a huge amount and you can earning. Then your luck is good. That you can better earning. I think. Okay, this page is loading. We check out the active investor. You can search active investor. Investor in US, find an investor. You can invest in a US company. You can check out angel investor US top result. I think this is benefit and limitation of company. Active passive invest. Passive income we have a more of a menu, but passive income is multi type of passive income. But investor passive income, you regularly passive income is you can check out this website. The more of type of website. Okay, we check out this trade line. Trade line you can is order translate this and you check out this document translation and you can also invest in apps. Check out these apps. Best investor app is the wealth font. You just open an account. This is Ameritrade. This I think this app you just open account and you can earning share and betterment. You can also earn in here. You can 0% zero deposit. You to start this interactive brokers. You can you money also save is here because you have no take to risk is here. Okay. We check out the investor site. We have the search investor site. investor.fiverr.com. You also invest a Fiverr. You know Fiverr is a freelancer marketplace, but I don't know this. Fiverr is a investor overview, financial result. This website is 100% secure, and you don't lose your money here. You just research this website is here first, and then you can invest. Q1, Q2, Q3, 4 press release, shareholder letter, prepared remarked webcast. What the heck? I think Fiverr is launched a new system for you can invest in here. Okay, here is a PDF file. You can check out this here. Okay. You check out number a passive investor site. Active investor site you can this a Fiverr. It's okay. Now we check out the passive investor site. Passive what are the passive investor? Passive investor site. Everything you need to know about a passive invest. Life base capital. Become investor. You create an account is here, and to check out this review. Then you can easily earning is here. You can hear this company office, phone number, email address. First you can contact the company office, ensure this is a real. Then you can invest this here. Okay, long term buy and hold strategy. I think this is very good because this is you have no loss. You buy a gold, you buy a Bitcoin, you buy anything you buy invest here. Buy and hold strategy, passive income is a long term game. This is the website you can see here. Buy and holding long term investment strategy. You because you have a huge item, you can buy and you then invest and you can earn easily. Okay, guys, thank you so much and watching my video, and you can also invest this here for your better life. Okay guys, thank you so much and best of luck, and subscribe my channel.